Hello, this is John Calvert. This tutorial will explain attaching files in Smart Notebook. We're going to attach web addresses. We're also going to attach files such as Microsoft Word or PowerPoint. Now, doing that actually gives the teacher a lot of flexibility. So, for instance, this activity it's basically a letter sounds activity. If the teacher notices that the class is having difficulty with any particular letter sound, they can click on the paperclip and they'll see a list of letters that correspond to the Starfall website for that letter. And it allows the teacher to present a multimodal experience to the students that teach that letter. So it gives the teacher a lot of flexibility. So for instance, the letter F. What we're going to do is we're going to attach a similar thing. We're going to attach a word family website, particularly the AN family, to a word family activity file that I've put together. So the first thing I have to do is I have to select the web address that I want. Then I right click on the web address and select copy. Now I've got the web address copied in my computer's memory. The next thing I have to do is I have to open up our notebook file that we're going to attach this to. I'm going to attach it to this Word Families file right here. Okay. To do that, click on the Paperclip tab on the sidebar of Smart Notebook. It'll open it up. You can see I've already gotten a few files here. I'm going to delete this one. I'll go to Insert, and you see I've got some choices. I can insert a copy of a file, a hyperlink, or a shortcut. In this case, we're inserting a hyperlink. Right-click on the first box that says hyperlink and select Paste. That will put the web address into the box. Underneath that, type what you want Notebook to tell you as the name of that web address. In this case, AN Families. And say OK. And it'll go right inside your attachment tab. The same thing is true with files. You see here I've attached a PowerPoint file called Test Presentation. Now, no matter where I am in this notebook lesson, maybe I'm here, I can always go to that attachment tab and access all of my attached files, including that PowerPoint. One word of caution: if you use Insert Shortcut to File and you move the original file or you move your notebook file, that shortcut is going to get broken. So I recommend, unless the file that you're attaching is very large, I recommend inserting a copy of a file that embeds the file into Notebook, and you don't have to worry about breaking that link. That's all there is to it for attaching files. So have fun attaching files, and as always, if you have any questions, feel free to email me.